Okay, so this is the recap for Wednesday, August 28th. Let's just start with the oil and see what the oil did today. Early on, we did a pretty good capture of this oil trading based on the report from last night and based on profile this morning and the report from this morning as well. We spike a little bit into that 56.75. Took a couple of trades with a lot of guys in the room. Looking coming for tomorrow, coming in tomorrow, I already marked the levels, which is my halfback for today, is going to be 56.14 for tomorrow. Point of control for today, we left it at 55.92. Right now, during after hours, we are trading right into that point of control. Tonight, going into Globex, that 56.14 will be important if we are to look for any shorts. If not, look for the value area high, 56.40, I believe is the number, 56.35, the volume point of control, the VPOC is right there. You can see it. That would be a nice place to play some shorts. And one thing I did, and I just posted for you guys in the chat box, is an analysis to look at where we are when it comes to the balance in the market. Oil market was balancing before between this 53.80 and 55.20, and now it appears that we are, having this balance area looking really good between that 56.88 and 55.30. So we're having these two areas of balance. We left the gap today unfilled, so this gap has to be repaired eventually. Right, on oil, we'll be looking to get that maybe tomorrow, or if not, coming into next week. And also we have a gap to the top, and that is the one that we left from between 57.38 and 57.94, and that goes all the way from July 31st. Right, we gapped down, we haven't been able to go back into those levels. Having said that, last week we talked about the importance of the 56 number on the daily, and for you to pay attention to what the trend line was giving you, this channel that we're building in this oil trade. I mean, a couple of times we have rejected that number, that trend line. Today we appears to be sitting right there trying to get out of it. We are settling right at 56 currently, but I'll be looking for this 57. The next trend line that you see right there is that 57 number to be a potential resistance when it comes to that oil. Look for those 57s tomorrow morning. Let's see what Globex is going to do, right? It all depends how Globex react tonight, right? We left a nice selling tail right at the top of the profile. No excess at the bottom. Only 2 ticks of excess, right? 2 ticks of excess, and we have the gap. So let's see how we react to these numbers, guys. Right? Very simple. Keep them on the back of your mind. 56.14. We accelerate past the 55, and yes, we will hit the 57. So look for this 55 number, right, to hold if we go up tonight into Europeans. Right, back to the ES. ES gave us a good trade this morning to the short as we came in early in the morning, down from 67 all the way down to that 51, 52 area. And then they decided, because of a tweet, very light volume, there was no volume in the market at all, but they just short covered all morning, and we created this P profile. You can see it clearly. Again, this is a poor structure. Doesn't tell you that the market is going to go up. Is just telling you that short covering was happening. Look at these anomalies that we left. Two TPOs, right? Everywhere. We're leaving this. Nice excess. What it was cool for today was the respect of that 66 number that I talked about before, right? That 66 line in the sand. That was the point of control from Friday sell-off. And we quite responded well today for that short covering. 51, we came really close to that 51 number. We talked about that. It was important for the bulls to hold that number. Great. Coming in tomorrow, again, we have singles at the top. right at that 2900. We still have singles and resistance today. If you look, that 90, right? We couldn't even get past that with no volume. It was really hard to go through. Look for a potential move down in Globex. Tomorrow is Thursday. We still have these yields, lingering and riding along with the market. So look for those numbers tomorrow, the 900s, to see if we can get them overnight, right? In case we get them overnight. If not, look down below. We have plenty of bad structure on this profile. I'll be looking to that 74 point of control. The point of control for today, I believe, is 84.75. If you look, we left it right here at 84.75. I'm going to lock it down and I'm going to move this right there. Halfback for today, we left halfback all the way at 72. All right, let me put a halfback right there. Halfback for today, 71.25 is going to be the halfback coming in tomorrow. So we have 2 points of reference for tomorrow morning and for tonight during the Globex trading. Oil currently sitting at 55.91, doing not much. So I'm going to leave you guys with this video. Mark these areas, please. Those singles, your 2900s. Remember where we were before, that the next balance area that was between 2900 and 2936. So if we go inside this 2900, this is the level for acceptance that we will be looking for when it comes to the ES. We will be looking for a move towards 2910. If we break 2900, there is that TPO 2910, and eventually those 2918 and 2923 coming for the ES tomorrow. Those are going to be key if this move does not retrace back. Right? To me, this short covering today was kind of nonsense, but it doesn't matter. Nonetheless, they tried, they did their best. They tried to get to that 2900. Bulls are trying to get control of the market. We'll see if it's going to be enough. We know nothing about this China yet, right? We don't know what's going on. And we know the yields are kind of struggling, so that's one of the things to pay attention coming in tomorrow, all right? With that being said, I'm going to let you guys go. Have a great night. I'll be seeing you tomorrow, 9 a.m. in the morning.